All right, good morning, everybody. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, AMC. I actually just bought some AMC. AMC. Let's look at AMC real quick. Try to get some targets on this. All right, the closest one is going to be 1390. $14. Already hit 90 on its way up to 14. Past 14. I'm in at 1375. HF1 buy. Also watching ACER. Let's go back to watch AMC. I may be getting out of AMC. Watching AMC. It's the only one I have. AMC. 1425, next closest. Getting a new target. All the way up to 15. Wow, 1505. And one more, 1475. All right. Just checking a few more real quick. BETR. I'm watching for a little entry on BETR. PSHG. I like PSHG. Gonna buy a little bit of PSHG. PSHG. Get some targets on this. 192. $201. And one more, 204. See if I see anything on TSHA. I'm watching for a possible entry on TSHA as well. And we're also keeping an eye on BETR possible entry. All right, gonna watch AMC. Still in AMC. My next closest target is going to be 1475 on AMC. 1475. Jason, yes, I do pay commissions. I may possibly start trading through TD Ameritrade. There's no commissions, but yes, I'm paying commissions. Only on the stock. Yes, on the stocks. All right, AMC. Watching AMC possibly up to 75. We've already hit a few levels here. We may see a run on this right after the opening, so I'm trying to hang in here. Now, if we pull back, if we start to pull back a lot, I'm going to go ahead and get out. But I'm still long AMC. Also in PSHG. I like what I'm seeing on PSHG. It's probably just going to be the two I'm going to be holding on to. Let's take a look at some of these indices real quick. Probably not going to be in the indices. Yeah, I don't see anything. Taking a look at the mini Russell. Don't see anything on the mini Russell that I like. Looking at, let's see, mini NASDAQ. Don't see anything on the mini NASDAQ that I like. I don't see anything here on the indices at all. All right, let's just keep it on these stocks. All right, pretty quiet. All right, AMC, watching AMC. See if we can take another stab for these highs up here. Get above that 25, 1425. I like this pullback here, pullback on lighter volume. I'm liking what I'm seeing with order flow over here. Still a lot of buying over here. I don't think we're going to have any really issues until we get probably, let's see here. Yeah, I mean, I think we can make it up into the 40s, the 50s, 1440, 1450. I'm holding out, seeing if I can make it to the opening. If we dip any further, I'd like to put a little bit more on AMC. Jason, is it Okay, question, Jay. Is it difficult to make money with commissions? It depends how active of a trader you are and your size. If you're a small trader or you don't have a big account, I would go through TD Ameritrade, which is taken over by, I believe, Schwab. But that is commission 3. You don't get the executions. I like the broker that I use. The broker that I use on the stocks is Lightspeed, but I can't use Thinkorswim with that broker, so that's why I use Sterling. But I'm thinking about just moving everything over to Thinkorswim. Because Thinkorswim does not charge commission. So if you have a really small account, it can make a big difference. Even with a big account, the commissions can add up quite a bit. But at the same time, you're probably not going to get as good executions as you would if you go through somebody like Lightspeed. Interactive is good too. For me, they're a little pricey. All right, this AMC, if we can get this AMC down to around 75, I want to go ahead and I want to add. All right, while we're waiting on this, let's look at GNS. GNS, I do have GNS on my radar this morning, but I'm going to wait on GNS. I'd like to see it dip a little bit more before and try to get. I don't have any setups right now on GNS. I don't have any of my patterns setting up. So, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. What else do we have? I was watching ACER, but man, I really don't like to trade anything below $1. 61 cents. I mean, the volume's already 16 mil on that. I'm just gonna let that go. I think there's gonna be an opportunity in BETR. I'm gonna be watching BETR. Better Homes and Gardens. Of course, we have Labor Day coming up on Monday, so things can start to thin out here. Tomorrow's definitely going to be thin. We could start thinning out today, but I'd like trading on Thursdays. Hopefully we'll have enough action. What I may do on this AMC, I think I'm going to go ahead and have a little profit on AMC. Let's see what we have here. About another 5 minutes. Got a 3-cent spread on this. I'm going to go ahead and get out. I'm going to take my little profit on AMC. Picked up $50. No volume on. I bought a little bit on PSHG, a couple hundred shares. Volume is really, really dead. I mean, I had to get in. I had to accept the spread. Right now, it's a 7-cent spread. I like it. It may be one of those that I could maybe carry over. But just you got to be careful. There's going to be some slippage on that spread. All right, so I'm flat. Let's go back and look at the indices again. Not doing anything on gold. Possible short coming up on natural gas. Those that like to trade futures, but I'm not going to take the short on natural gas. I'm going to let that go. I am going to keep an eye on the mini Russell. We'll keep an eye on the E-mini S&P. You got the mini Dow up 133. Small Dow. Let's look at the small Dow. Small Dow's up 135. All right, folks. Well, we're coming up on about 2 minutes out before the opening bell, so I want to go ahead and move over to Discord. We'll continue to trade. So far, pretty quiet. I am looking to get back in the AMC. Not right now, but I am looking to get back in the AMC. I may put a little bit on. If we start to firm up right before the opening, like maybe 30 seconds out, I may put a little bit of AMC on. Or if it starts to run here right after the opening, I may go ahead and buy back into this AMC. All right, that's gonna do it. Thanks for joining us once again. Do this every morning. First 30 minutes is open to everybody. If you have questions, best way to get a hold of me is via my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. There is a phone number there if you'd like to speak to us. Probably what's going to happen, you're going to end up in voicemail because I'll be trading, but I will call you back if you leave a message. And that's going to do it. All right. Everybody have a good trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Probably going to be really quiet, but we'll be here. Take care.